Hello, my name is Nada, and today I'll be showing you on how to buy cryptocurrency. Choose a reputable and a validated crypto exchange. Research and compare their fees, their security, and if they have a user-friendly interface, that you can able to use. Create an account on your chosen exchange, the exchange you have chosen. Provide the basic information. Do your KYC, verify your identity. After verifying your identity, deposit your funds into your account using your preferred method, either P2P, bank transfer, or debit or credit card online purchase. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Research, select from the options that you have been given on the exchange, either Litecoin, SRP, Thereabout, etc. etc. After you have selected the coin that you want to trade, execute the trade, set your order type, confirm the transaction, make sure that is what you want to buy, and that's it. You have successfully bought your cryptocurrency. And also remember, store your cryptocurrency securely. I, as a person, because of my own experience, I will always tell my people to always use a cold wallet, monitor the market trend, and always continue to learn, because in the world of cryptocurrency and the forex market, knowledge is powerful. And thanks for watching. Happy investing in the crypto and the forex market. Don't forget the name Nada. Until next time, now go get power.